Hi, this is Rich from NewSchoolPiano. We're going to do a song called Worth It from Danielle Bradbery. Two basic parts. There's a verse and a chorus. Let's start with the verse. 3 chords on it. It's a D minor, to a B flat, to an F. Alright, and there's these pickup notes that it starts with. Some embellishments with it. You can invert the D minor this way, or this way, or this way, but we're going to take it pretty straight here. We're going to go like this. By the way, those notes are C, D, F, and then the D minor chord, to a B flat chord, to an F chord. And those are all inversions. Here's the D minor chord, D, F, A, B flat chord, which is D, F, B flat. A normal B flat chord would look like that, which is the same notes, just inverted. We took this and put it on top. And then the F is an F chord, whereas a normal F chord would look like that, which would be F, A, C. We're just flipping it around. There's the F, there's the A, there's the C. So the intro and the verse, here we go. Kind of hitting. Just kind of hitting a little bit there to give it a little movement. Okay, it does that for a few times, then just before the chorus it goes D minor, B flat, but then it goes to a C. So again, D minor, B flat, to a C, and then here's the chorus. The chorus is B flat, D minor, A minor, C. Let me play that for you. D minor, which is D, F, A minor, just inverted, to a B flat, to an A minor, which is A, C, E, to a C. And you do that 2 times, like this. Sorry for that mistake, there's that C. So 2 times, and then the last half of the chorus is D minor, C, B flat, A minor, G minor, which is a new chord for this, G, B flat, D, and then it walks back up to the B flat like this, to C, and then back to the verse. I'm going to play the whole chorus for you. Here we go. Here's the second F. Now back to the verse. Now that's a cool thing you can do. You can add these little riffs like... All I'm doing is just adding those little grace notes, which is a... Just kind of add that second in there. So little song. Go back and rewind and practice it as much as you can. And thanks for watching New School Piano. I want to thank Sydney for bringing this song to my attention. It's a really great song. Thanks. Have fun practicing.